Hello again, YouTube friends. Dav here. I'm doing some more of the Zelda game on the Wii thingy. I am in a cave. No, don't set it down. Throw it. You just gotta waggle that thing, right? Throw it. There you go. Yay. Opens the box. Red rupee. All right. Oh, I fell. Give me that. What? I stab you. Woohoo! Oh, no, don't let go. There you go. I don't think I've taken any damage in this place yet. That's cool, I guess. Probably shouldn't say that or else I'm gonna jinx myself and whatnot, but alright, hey, there we go. I win at getting money. If only it were that easy in real life. Where's my bird at? That saves the game. Save. Saving progress. Saved.
Hey!
Link. Oh, hi, Zelda. You just thought under this random little cliff you thought you'd find me here? You're good. I'll give you that. How's the search going? You know, I bet it's like up top there. I mean, I saw it in like a vision or something. I mean, you could probably find it real easy because you're just flying up there. Huh? What was that? Well, it wasn't me. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, wait. There we go. Where are we going? Are you coming with me now? Cool.
Huh?
There he is. Aww. Poor guy. Hey, there you go. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, pretty bird. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna throw this thing. That didn't do anything. Alright, let me try throwing this thing at it. Right, like... That didn't do anything. Oh, wait. There's rope. Ha! I'm smart when I don't try. Wait. Hey, birdie. Hey, pretty bird. Looks like a Moltres. Well, no, it really doesn't. Looks like some sort of Pokemon. Which Pokemon was that? Looks like a pretty Pokemon, that's what kind. Alright, bird, now that you stress yourself out trying to, you know, scream and to get out of there for a while, let's go flying. Sounds like a good idea. What happened to practice? Come on. I could tell. No, I didn't hear it. I mean, I heard yours, but... more clouds? Surface. A place called the Surface. That's silly. Okay. We don't have time to talk. Okay. Press down. Harder. Birdie. Fly, birdie, fly. Woo! How I control bird. Okay. What am I doing? What's going on? You might want to speed up. How do I speed up? Gain some altitude. Let's point it up. So go ahead, tilt the Wii remote up, point the Wii remote down to speed up. Wait, what? No? Ah, I see. Okay, so that one... Ah, I gotta do both of them. Okay. And how do I turn? Press 2 again to go over the basic controls. I'm gonna do that again just because... Okay. Press A to change forward burst into speed. Press B to slow down. And okay. So how do I steer though? Is it just like that? Okay. And how do I go up again? All right, are you ready to watch me lose at a game? Okay. Doo-doo. I like this theme. Uh-huh, it's me. Oh, I found it. Okay. Almost a man. Nah, I usually let my mom decide for me. Best friends. Uh-huh. Suave. Well, don't you? Okay. The Selathoth. Okay. Sailcloth. Okay. Uh-huh. You, have some interesting fantasies there, Bruce. ... Good luck with those dangerous moves. What? Herder.
Hey!
Ceremony will now begin. Please assemble. To race time. Good luck, Link. Okay. Even though I'm not entirely sure how to steer. Wonderbolts!
Hey!
Okay, let's get started. Today's something. Release it into the skies. To dash and dive off the cliff. A moment, builder. Call you pressing down. Simple enough. Nope. I didn't pay attention the first time. I'm not going to pay attention the second time. Receive a gift. Woohoo! Is it the gift of reading? Because I could use some of that. Performed by the lovely Zelda. Who'd have thought? Oh, Groose, he's so funny. He got a crush.
Hey!
Yeah, I know he's supposed to be like the big jerk and bully and stuff, but I think he's funny. Alright, let's go.
Hey!
Go! Alright, what am I supposed to do? Go that way. Come on. I got you now. What am I supposed to do when I get to it? Oh, look down. Okay. Get back here. Get back here. What? Oh, okay. I got you. I got you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, out of my way. I got you. What do I do now? Oh, I missed. Wait, where did he... Oh, frick. Get down there. Come on. Come on. Gotcha. Haha. Hey, hey, hey. That's cheating. Now you're throwing eggs at me? The frick? That is an egg. That is an egg as well. That is an egg. How are they locking on to me? The frick? I did not ask for this. Go, turn that way. Come on. You can do it, birdie. Do I get to name my bird? I hope so. Come on, come on. Come on. You can do it, birdie. Come on, birdie. You got this. We got this. Come on. Stop flailing frantically. Or maybe that's me. I don't know. Oh, come on. Turn, please. There you go. Come on. Come on. We got this. Come on, birdie. Come on. Fly, fly, fly. Go faster. Too far. Come on, bird. Bird, why do you have trouble steering? Hey. Come on, come on. We got this. There you go. Come on. Yeah! Bird statue. Proves victory today. Alright, well, thank you for watching. It's been fun. I learned how to fly birds and get eggs thrown at me. I'ma go. I'll see you guys later.